Hey guys, and finally, the first official Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus look is here. The legend Evan Blast has spoken. He posted this on Twitter saying that this is the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. And right from the start, they look different. If we compare them to the leaks we had for so many months, the renders, the CAD leaks, they look different from all of that. They kind of look like the Galaxy A8 2018 phones that recently came that I reviewed on the channel with less bezels and a curved display. I gotta say, I'm a little disappointed. I mean, if we compare this to the Galaxy S8, a lot of people will agree that the S8 looks better. Not just the render of the S8, but in reality, the Galaxy S8 looks sexy as hell, much better than their flat screen Infinity design shape. So it seems to me that with Galaxy S9, they have combined their Edge Infinity design to their flat Infinity design that they have with the Galaxy A8 phone. So they combined that, and the mix of the two results in this. Some people think it's ugly. I don't think it's ugly, but it's definitely not as attractive as the Galaxy S8. So remember, it is a render. After all, the actual real phone is still 1 month away, so I'm pretty sure the real thing will look much better. And as we know, Samsung is actually perfecting the Galaxy S8. It feels like the edge is moved a little bit inward and has a bezel much prominent on the side. If we compare that with the Galaxy S8, the difference is definitely there in these renders. It is noticeable. This might be because the top area of the edge display easily breaks. In both of the drop tests that I did for the S8 Plus and the Galaxy Note 8, they cracked at the same spot, which was the top right corner. The edge part is definitely not super durable, so maybe that's the reason for this change. They decided to add a little bit of a durability to this design, adding a little bit thicker bezel to this edge surface and sacrifice a little sexiness of having almost no side bezel. So again, I genuinely believe that the real thing will look better than this render. So S9 and S9 Plus official render, the buttons are still the same. So we have the Bixby key / the volume rocker on the left, and the power can be seen on the right. On the bottom of the phone, you will find the headphone jack, the Type-C USB port, and a stereo speaker tuned by AKG. Evan Blast just posted this image of the front of the phone. We don't have any image of the bottom, but it is pretty much confirmed that the bottom will still have the headphone jack, and the lock screen shows a new crystal infinity wallpaper. It looks incredible. Again, it is in purple color, similar to their tease of the Galaxy S9 event. The number 9 was indeed in the purple color. It's a hint that they might be launching a new color with the Galaxy S9 family. We have a March 16th date on the phone. Could be its worldwide release date. The display sizes are the same, so we have the 5.8-inch display for the Galaxy S9 and 6.2-inch for the S9 Plus. Unfortunately, there are no back renders yet, but I'm pretty sure that they will be out soon. Not that anything we don't know about the back. I mean, this is how they're gonna look. The single camera will be on the back of the Galaxy S9 along with the fingerprint scanner down below it for that easier reach, and the Galaxy S9 Plus will get dual cameras. So this is it for the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. I want to hear your thoughts. What do you think about this S9 design? Are you happy with it? Are you going to be upgrading from your current S8 to this design? Let me know, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.